Fixer Joe, and I'm going to show you a quick trick for drawers that the stops have worn out. So if you notice, this drawer, I slide it and it wants to fall. It'll fall on your toes. What happened is plastic slide, this cheap little thing, was worn out over the years, and this is a pretty old dresser. But let me show you a little trick here to repair that. So I got for this job is a roll of strapping, metal strapping. There's 1/8 size holes in it. Some screws, short as you can get. 10 snips to cut the strapping and screw it. So I'm just going to eyeball the strapping, size it up, and cut it so I'm bridging that gap. So I've pulled all the drawers out except for the top one, and I'm going to get in here and fasten the strapping underneath, make a stop out of it. And I'm going to pull that as tight as I can get it. Still slides. There we go. Okay, so that one slides really well. And I emptied out all the other drawers. And I'm going to repeat the process. Okay, the last trick to get to the bottom drawer is actually tilt the dresser. Alright, with the dresser tilted, you can slide in the last drawer, and then I have access to it underneath. There you have it. I have a dresser with 4 drawers that won't fall out now. Alright, thanks for watching, and please like and share and subscribe.